how to quickly troubleshoot the Windows update. Before starting this video, let's see that the Windows update service is running properly or not. For that, simply click on the Windows icon and then go into the settings. Go here, Windows update and security. Now here you need to see Windows update option is available. Check for updates, so check for it. If it's working, that's great. If it's not working, then you need again click on the Windows icon, then type here services. Now here you need to find the Windows update services. Here is it. Right click on it, properties. Now the service status is if it's not running, then you need to click on the run, and startup type is automatic, then hit apply. Okay, now restart your PC and your problem has been solved. If it's still not working, then you need to click here, go into the settings. Now you can see here the troubleshoot option, just click on it. Now here you will get two options, view troubleshooting history and additional troubleshooters. So we will go here, additional troubleshooters. Now here all the troubleshooting options are available for your PC according to your PC applications and services. Now you can see a Windows Store apps, video playback, and we need to find Windows update. Just click on it and run the troubleshooter. Now it will detect the problem and fix it automatically. After that, it will ask you for restart your PC and your problem has been solved. If it's still not solved, just comment below. I will show you some other methods, might be that's work for you, but this one from my side, I think this one is the best method to solve your issue. I hope it will helpful for you. Have a good day. Bye bye, and please hit the subscribe button and share it with friends. If you have any question, any kind of error if you are facing, just drop your comment. I will try to solve it for you. Have a good day. Bye bye.